Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove magnifier button and control center on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, go to included controls and find the magnifier. And as you will see, there's a negative sign located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap. Then tap again the remove. And it's now removed. And if you want to check it, if it is already removed in your control center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see, that it is already removed in your control center. And that's it. We have successfully removed magnifier button and control center on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.